Wait for that letter, okay? Jojo, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, para mabigay ko na sa'yo ang 1 million peso question. Jojo, game ka na ba?
Game na!
These are the categories: art and literature, entertainment, general knowledge, geography and nature, history and culture, science and technology.
Geography and nature.
The question: sa anong present-day country ipinanganak si Saint Nicholas, ang original Santa Claus? Timer starts now. The question: sa anong present-day country ipinanganak si Saint Nicholas, ang original Santa Claus? Jojo? 60 seconds and it starts now.
Saint Nicholas. Di ba, he was the bishop of Myra, Asia Minor. So, I'll go with Turkey.
Turkey. Sure ka na ba?
Sure na.
Is he correct? Gosh, I don't know. We will all know sa pagbabalik po ng Pilipinas. Game ka na ba? Game na! Do you want to celebrate Christmas early? Do you want to win 10,000 pesos? Ganito po.
Pilipinas! Sali na at makipasko sa Teleserye Connect Tones promo sa Pilipinas! Game ka na ba? Mag-download ng mga Teleserye Connect Tones, mga ringtones na hango sa kwento ng mga paborito mong ABS-CBN teleserye. Sa bawat download, meron kang isang raffle entry. Maaari kang manalo ng 10,000 pesos sa Pilipinas! Game ka na ba kinabukasan? Para mag-download, i-text lang ang mga sumusunod sa 2366. Pumili sa mga bagong tampok na teleserye ringtones. Mas maraming downloads, mas maraming chances of winning. Ganyan kayo kalakas sa amin. Teleserye Connect Tones promo sa Pilipinas. Game ka na ba?
Your question, Jojo, was sa anong present-day country ipinanganak si Saint Nicholas, ang original Santa Claus? And you said Turkey. I want to prolong the suspense a little bit. Magtatanong lang ako sa'yo. Nung sumali ka dito, did you think na puputok yung sa may bandang kilay mo?
No.
Di ba? Prior to him, yung huling taping, sumabog po yung ilaw dyan. Lumiyab. Pero, yung taong yon, tinalo mo, Jojo. Okay? What hospital did we bring you to?
What hospital was that? Yung huli sa St. Luke's.
St. Luke's. Bakit? Dalawa?
Dalawa. Yung isa sa...
Capitol?
Capitol.
We're so saucy. Dalawang hospital. Why?
Yung...
Ano nangyari sa Capitol?
Yung una sa Capitol, papasuture sana itong kilay ko. So, pero...
Pero...
Ay,
Eyelid. Pero...
Sorry. Pero yun, ayaw galawin nung surgeon doon dahil gusto niya, technically daw dapat ophthalmologist yung... Sorry,
No. Optometrist. Optometrist. Kasi yung ophthalmologist...
sorry.
Whatever. Okay lang yun. Tapos...
So, yun, ayaw niyang galawin dahil dapat daw specialist sa mata yung
so, dinala ka namin sa St. Luke's.
St. Luke's.
Nung nasa St. Luke's, nilagyan lang nila ng tape.
Nilagyan muna ng tape.
Tapos,
Papatapusin
balik ka dito.
Balik muna.
Pupunta ka doon
Pupunta
later para tahiin yan. May ilang stitches daw?
Hindi na-mention eh.
Ansya ko mga 6. Okay.
That would be my badge of honor.
Badge of honor talaga. With anesthesia, no anesthesia. Huwag na, di ba? Kaya mo yan.
Para sa'yo.
At parang balak ng samahan ko pa siya doon in my dress. Why not? Alam mo, baka that's destiny. Baka may doktor na naghihintay sa akin sa St. Luke.
Yes.
Di ba, you never know.
You never know.
Your question. So, nung present-day country, ipinanganak si St. Nicholas, ang original Santa Claus. You said Turkey. The first day of Simbang Gabi, or ang Thanksgiving Mass, is today, actually. Okay? St. Nicholas was born in the 4th century AD sa bayan ng Patara, na bahagi ng ancient country of Lycia. He later earned fame as the kind and generous Bishop of Myra, na isa ring city sa Lycia. Sa ngayon, ang birthplace, mga kaibigan, ni St. Nicholas na Patara ay kilala bilang bayan ng Demre sa bansang I Believe in Destiny, Turkey! Congratulations!
Thank you! Thank you!
You deserve it! See? Sadali! Ang saya! Dinugo ko man!
It was worth it!
Worth it! Huwag ka tumalon! Sandali! Huwag ka tumalon! Okay. He has 1,150,000 pesos!
Thank you! Thank you!
Oh, sandali! How do you feel?
I don't know what to say.
What? Hindi ko alam. You're making me nervous. You might fall. To your mom and dad, anong gusto mo sabihin?
When I left home, I told them that hopefully I would make them proud.
Well, you did. Oh. Anong gusto sabihin sa kanila?
I love you.
Okay, are you still gonna go abroad? Or dahil meron ng 1,150,000, pwede na magnegosyo dito?
We'll see.
You'll see? Are you gonna share naman with your 2 sisters?
Definitely.
Anong gusto mo sabihin sa amin ngayon?
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you sa teacher. Thank you na nataktan ka. Why not, di ba?
Thank you.
Lahat sila papayag din. How did you know that? Bakit mo alam na ang birthplace ni Santa Claus ay Turkey?
Nabasa ko lang dun sa index nung encyclopedia set namin sa bahay noon.
The answer was in the World Atlas and in the Globe, actually. 1,150,000. That's big money! Anong mangyayari doon?
I don't know yet. First time pala eh. Definitely, I'll share with my parents and
Kung matakpan bibig mo, ano pa?
we'll see where it
Okay,
goes.
sandali Kasi normally binabawi namin to. But it's yours to keep. It's your souvenir na swerte to! The first time na
Thank you.
sinuot yung medalya. Panalo na talaga. Jojo, winners like you prove to me and prove to everybody po, maniwala tayo, di ba? Magtiwala tayo at ibibigay talaga. And lahat ng paghihirap, may tukli naman na gantimpala.
Thank you, Chris. Thank you, Lord.
Use the money wisely, please. Balitaan mo kami kung anong mangyayari. At least we can buy you a new pair of glasses.
Yeah.
Diba? And pwede na magbayad sa plastic surgeon para walang scar. Thank you, Jojo.
Thank you. Thank you.
Palakpakan natin si Jojo, our first million peso winner! happy and see you again dito po sa programa where dreams really come true.
They do.
Ang Pilipinas, game ka na